Breast reconstruction. What is better for me, either implant or body's own tissue? This is a question which is normally asked by all patients who are coming for reconstruction. I am Dr. Rohit Nair, Principal Director Surgical Oncology at Max Hospital. Implants are easy to use. They are quick fixations to give you the breast mount after your mastectomies, but only indicated for patients who are having early stage breast cancer or those who are undergoing prophylactic mastectomies. All those patients who require post-operative radiotherapy to the chest, normally this procedure is not indicated. Where autologous tissue, particularly the tissue taken either from your tummy or from your back or from your thigh, is used to reconstruct or make a mount of breast tissue. Back tissue is normally won't give you enough bulk, but at least can be given to give you some coverage on the chest wall, where later on you can use implants to give a bulge over there. Abdominal tissue is the best tissue for ladies because they have lots of amount of fat over there, which can give a good shape and good mount on the chest to reconstruct the breast. In fact, abdominal tissue can be used if you have to reconstruct both breasts simultaneously. Then the same abdominal fat can be used to reconstruct both breasts. The other advantage of using abdominal tissue is that it can give you a nice tummy tuck to give you a good abdominal shape as well. So that's an added advantage of using abdominal tissue. So we have different reconstructive options available now, and it's been used successfully now in our country, and many patients have benefited from it. Thank you very much.